How to delete email search history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your iPhone. Once you're inside your inbox, tap on the search bar at the top. You can now view all of your recent search history here. To delete an individual search term, simply swipe left on it. A delete button will appear on the right. Tap on it to remove that term. Repeat this simple process for any other search terms you want to delete. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Safari web application. For Gmail accounts, go to myactivity.google.com. Scroll down the page and tap on the delete button as shown. From the options provided, select a time range, such as all time. On the next screen, first deselect all products. Then, find to check the box for search only. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. Review the confirmation page and tap on Delete to finalize the process. Following these steps, you can easily delete your email search history on an iPhone.